Hey, it's Mark and Kim at Forbes Kia New Minas.
Look what we have here.
2023 Kia Stinger GT
Elite. As you may know, this is the last year for the super popular Stinger GT.
And we're so lucky to have this one here. Come in and make it yours today. So Mark, what makes this elite?
Well, check it out. Suede interior, red stitching, red seat belts, beautiful thunder gray exterior.
With the 19-inch Michelins and the Brembo brake package. And Mark, one of the best things about this vehicle is what's under the hood.
Let's check it out. So this is where all the fun happens. 3.3 liter twin turbo V6, 368 horsepower, puts a smile on your face as soon as you get behind the wheel.
And remember, this is the last one. It's available today. Come make it yours.
So give us a call at 902-681-2144.
Or apply online at ForbesKia.com.